Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically find your Discord checkpoint. It's pretty similar to all of the recaps and replays that's been going around every social media ever. So to do that, you are going to select the flag up here. Anywhere is fine. You'll see it anywhere basically. That's what I mean. Select checkpoint, and this is what it looks like. You can turn off the volume here. Checkpoint, look back at your 2025 on Discord, start. It says messages sent this year. This is my burner account, so you guys don't see, but this is total emoji used, 49 hours in voice. Favorite servers, Discord squad. There's even myself there and just my friends here. Oh, and it's myself. You can also send a message to your sidekick here. I'm just going to skip it though. And my favorite games. Quest completed. And you can get your checkpoint deco reveal. This is what you get. Claim now, and that's it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!